Hi and welcome to the second part of my videos regarding solutions on CodeWars.com. I will focus on katas that are just simple, that has not very long description, not very long fabulous, let's say, that are quite simple to understand, just in less than 1 minute. For today I selected 6Q create phone number kata. This is really simple. Well, I thought it would be 8 or 7, but it's 6. That's fine. I will show you two solutions. First one will be it's just one-liner, which should give you something like something what is desired. So I will try start with parentheses. Then I need to take first three numbers of the array. Then I must close the parentheses. Then I have to have a space, and finally the last numbers, and they are divided with dash, with a simple dash, and finishing numbers. So what is missing here is just a I can just shortcut just nums. Would be simple. So the first nums I can have something like this. I can use the slice method starting from 0 to 3. I can continue this further. For example, here before dash I have from 3 to 6, and here I have from after dash it's from 6 to 6, well, to 9 or to 10. Sorry. Let's see if it works. No, it doesn't work. Oh, nums I can join, I guess, because I have number that's giving an array. So I got this one. Num slice join, I guess. Yes. Join, or nums join. Sorry, nums join. Let's join it. However, it's so using slice I will select subarray, let's say, and then must join it. Yes, I think now it will be fine. Yes, exactly. And the second solution I will show you, it's just let's say it's just let's say a smart solution. Let's start with creating a variable format. It will be just like, it will store the format they needed from us. So they need we have a number in such format, and now we can iterate for length. Nums length, and for each one I will try to just finally return format, and in the meantime, in the loop I will just replace the x with the nums, the position of nums. Let's see. Oh, that works also. Thank you, and see you in the next chapter.